The new Resident Evil is finally here, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Resident Evil Requiem in a few steps. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So firstly, go to Steam. If you don't have it already, you can install it in a few minutes, and then just search for Resident Evil right here. Click here. Now scroll down and you will find the option to get different editions. So in my case, I'm going to do this with the cheapest edition, but you can use the deluxe edition as well. So click here, then view my card. Now continue to payment, and now you can use a lot of different payment methods like your credit card, PayPal, your Steam wallet balance, and much more. Click on continue and click on purchase. Now you should see this install content button right here, but if you can't see it, you can go to library and then collections, and now you can search for Resident Evil right here and click the install button. Now select the drive where you want to install this game and click install. Now the downloads will begin, and we can click this progress bar at the bottom to see how the download is going and the estimated time remaining. So after this, you should have the game ready to play. Now if you just want to test the game for free, you can always request a refund if you have less than 2 hours of playtime, and they will always give it to you. So you can just try the game to see if it runs smoothly on your computer, and if you're having any troubles or it's not what you're looking for, you can go to your profile, then account details, then view purchase history, click on Resident Evil, and I would like a refund. So this way, just request the refund, and after probably 2 days or something like that, you should get your money back. So that's it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.